Hello students, let me start the maths paper 1, 5th chapter integration. We have to already study the first exercise. Let us see the next one. There's a next type of integration, that is method of change of variable or method of substitution. Let us see the theorems and 4 corollary without proof. We have to see here. First theorem, if x is equal to 5 of t is a differentiable function of t. Here we have to not written here, we have to see right here t, then f of x integral f of x dx is equal to integral f of in bracket phi of t into phi dash of t dt. Okay, then see the corollary first. If integral f of x dx is equal to g of x plus c, then integral f of ax plus b dx is equal to 1 upon a g of ax plus b. Next, integral f dash of x upon f of x dx is equal to log of integral f of x plus c. Same we have to integration of 1 by x is log x, only we have to given the function here, that is f dash of x upon f of x dx is log f of x plus c here. Next is integration of f of x raised to n into f dash of x dx is equal to f of x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. And the fourth corollary, integration of f dash of x upon integration upon root of f of x dx is equal to 2 root of f of x plus c. That means the integration of 1 upon root x is 2 root x. Only we have to function with function here, that is 2 root f of x plus c here. These are the one theorem and 4 corollary without proof here. Then next here exercise 5.2 here. Let us see the exercise 5.2. Evaluate the following. First one, integral x root of 1 plus x square dx. See the solution. Integration x root of 1 plus x square dx. Resolving this integration with substitution method, we have to put here 1 plus x square dx is equal to t here. And then we have to differentiate this. We have to find a derivative of 1 is 0 plus x square is 2x, dx is equal to dt. That means it is a 2x, dx is equal to dt. Then this to shifting that side, we have to want only x dx, that is dt by 2. Then new integration is formed here, that is I is equal to dt by 2, that means is a 1 by 2 integral root of t dt. Then we have to convert into this root t to the power 1 by 2, that is half into t raised to 1 by 2 dt. And you know the integration of x raised to n is x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, that means t raised to 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c. And 1 by 2 plus 1 is t raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 by 2 plus c here. And we have to multiply with 1 by 2, this 2 to get cancelled, remaining here t raised to 3 by 2 upon 3 plus c here. And we substitute the value of t is 1 plus x square, that means I is equal to 1 plus x square to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 plus c. That is the integration of x root of 1 plus x square dx is 1 in bracket 1 plus x square to the power 3 by 2 upon 3 plus c. Next question, question number second. Integration of x cube upon under root of 1 plus x raised to 4 dx. Let us see the solution. I is equal to integration of x cube upon under root of 1 plus x raised to 4 dx. we have to substring here 1 plus x raised to 4 is equal to t here. That is, differentiate this, derivative of 1 is 0, x raised to 4 is, applying the x raised to n formula, and x raised to n minus 1, that is a 4x raised to 4 minus 1, that is a 4x cube dx is equal to dt. We have to want here only x cube dx here. Okay, that is x cube dx is equal to, shifting this 4, we have to multiply here, shifting that side divide, that is x cube dx is equal to dt upon 4. Then I is equal to dt by 4, that is a 1 by 4, that is a new integral form here. I is equal to 1 by 4 integral of 1 upon, we have to substitute the root of 1 plus x raised to 4, 1 plus x raised to 4 is t, that is a 1 upon root t dt, and you know the integration of 1 upon root x, that is a 2 root x, that means integration of 1 upon root t is 2 root t plus c, that is I is equal to 1 by 4 plus 2 root t plus c, and we have to here multiply 1 by 4 with 2, 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4, that means remaining I is equal to 1 by 2 into root of t, 1 by 2 into root of t plus c, and then substituting the value of t, that is I is equal to 1 by 2 under root of 1 plus x raised to 4 plus c. This we are to solving the second one, that is the integration of x cube upon 1 plus x raised to 4 is equal to 1 by 2 root of 1 plus x raised to 4 plus c here. Okay. Let us see the third one. Integration of, in bracket, e raised to x plus e raised to minus x the whole square into, in bracket, e raised to x minus e raised to minus x dx. Solution: I is equal to integration, in bracket, e raised to x plus e raised to minus x the whole square into e raised to x minus e raised to minus x dx. Okay, and we know the integration and derivative of e raised to x is equal to e raised to x, and e raised to minus x is equal to minus e raised to x here, sorry, e raised to minus x. Then if you see the question here, e raised to x, first function e raised to x plus e raised to minus x, second function e raised to x minus e raised to x, that means derivative of first function, that is e raised to x plus e raised to minus x for the second function, that means we have to put the first function is equal to t here, that is e raised to x plus e raised to minus x is equal to t here, and finding the derivative of this one, e raised to x is e raised to x and e raised to minus x is minus e raised to x, that means plus minus is minus, minus e raised to x here, that is e raised to x minus e raised to x dx is equal to dt, that means this function is equal to, value is dt, and then this function e raised to x plus e raised to x is equal to t, that means the new integral form is I is equal to integration of t square dt here. And then we have to find the integration of t square, applying the x raised to n formula, x raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1, that is a t raised to 2 plus 1, that is a 3 upon 3 plus c, and then we have to substitute the value of t is equal to e raised to x plus e raised to minus x bracket cube upon 3 plus c. This you have to solving the integration, that means integration of, in bracket, e raised to x plus e raised to minus x the whole square into e raised to x minus e raised to minus x dx is equal to, in bracket, e raised to x plus e raised to minus x the bracket cube upon 3 plus c here. Okay, next question, question number 4. Let us see here, question number 4. Integration of 1 upon x log x dx. Okay, you know the integration of 1 by x is a log x, and derivative of log x is equal to 1 by x here. Or you have to substitute directly the formula integration of f dash of x upon f of x is equal to log of f of x plus c. Applying this formula, or we have to solving by substitution method. We have to put log x is equal to t, and you know the derivative of log x, that is a 1 by x dx is equal to dt, and integration of 1 by x already here, that is integration of 1 by x, this one is equal to dx is equal to dt here. That means remaining value is 1 upon log x, and you have to substitute the log x 1 by t here, and then in integration form is integral of 1 by t dt, and integration of 1 upon t is log t. That means the I is equal to log t, and the value of t is equal to log of log x plus c here. That means integration of 1 upon x log x is equal to log of log x plus c. This you have to find the integration here. Next question, question number 5. Integration of x raised to 5 upon x raised to 2 plus 1 dx here. Okay, we have to solve this equation, sorry, this integral not solve directly here. We have to adjusting the term, because in a numerator we have to give an x raised to 5, and in denominator we have to give an x square plus 1 here. Okay, we have to adjusting the term, because we have to substitute this term by t here. That means we have to want here x square here. Okay, let us see how we have to, sorry, we have to want here numerator is a x term here. That is, we have to adjusting the values here. That is, convert this x raised to 5 is equal to x raised to 4 into x here, and x raised to 4 is x square the whole square into x here. That means adjust x square also x here. Okay, let us see the integration. Integration of x raised to 5 is x raised to 4 into x upon x square plus 1 dx is equal to x raised to 4 is x square, that is the integration of x square the whole square upon x square plus 1 into x here. Okay, we have to not type here x. Okay, that is the x term here in this integration dx. Then we have to putting x square plus 1 is equal to 2, and the x square is equal to t minus 1, and then derivative of x square is 2x dx, 1 is a constant, 0 dt here, and x dx is equal to dt upon 2. That means here in here this x dx is cancelled here. That is x dx is equal to dt by 2. That is a 1 by 2 here in this integration first one. That is a I is equal to 1 by 2 integration of t minus 1 the whole square upon t here. Okay, here also not type here 1 by 2. In a first here we have to write here 1 by 2 t minus 1 the whole square upon t here. Then in half into integral expand this t minus 1 the whole square, that is the a minus b the whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Same way it is a t minus 1 is t square minus 2t plus 1 here, series here upon t here. That is a 1 by 2 integration of t square minus 2t plus 1 upon t dt. Then we have to separate the denominator term t with t square minus 2t plus 1. That is integration 1 by 2 integration of t square upon t minus 2t upon t plus 1 upon t dt. Then 1 by 2 in t square upon t, 1t get cancel, minus 2t upon t, 1t get cancel, plus 1 by t is remaining here. That means remaining term is integration of t, here 2 integration of dt, and here integration of 1 by t dt here. That means 1 by 2 into integration of t is t. If your power is not given, that means 1 plus 1 is 2, that is a t square by 2. 2 integration of dt is t, that is a 2t, and integration of 1 by t is a log t plus c here. That means half into, we have to putting the value of t is x square plus 1, that is a x square plus 1 the whole square upon 2. 2t is 2 into x square plus 1, plus log t is log of x square plus 1 plus c. That means integration of x raised to 5 upon x square plus 1 dx is equal to half into bracket x square plus 1 the whole square upon 2 minus 2 into x square plus 1 plus log x square plus 1 bracket complete plus c here. Next, question number 6. Integration of 2x plus 6 upon under root of x square plus 6x plus c. If you see this question, in the denominator x square plus 6x plus 3, if you find the derivative of this term, that is a 2x plus 6, and this term is given in a numerator here. That means f dash of x, we have to applying the integration of f dash of x upon under root of f of x dx is 2 root f of x plus c. We have to apply directly and we get the answer. This one is directly, or next method using the substitution here, because you have to not find the root directly given the numerator term here. That is, we have to putting x square plus 6x plus 3 is equal to t, and derivative of this one differentiate, derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of 6x, 6 into x is 1, 6, derivative of 3 is 0, that means remaining 2x plus 6 dx is equal to dt, and then this 2x cx dx, 2x plus 6 dx is equal to dt, that is new integral form. I is equal to integration of 1 upon under root of t, because we are putting the x square plus 6x plus 3 is equal to t here, and even the integration of 1 upon t is 2 root t, and then substituting the value of t, that is the 2 root t is x square plus 6x plus 3 plus c here. That means the integration of 2x plus 6 upon integration of x square plus 6x plus 3 dx is equal to 2 under root of x square plus 6x plus 3 plus c here. Next, question number 7, we have to find the integration of x plus root x here. Okay, it is not possible to finding directly because root x is given in the numerator, denominator, and it is an irrational number. Okay, let us see how we have to solve this. Solution: I is equal to under integral of 1 upon x plus root x dx, that is I is equal to integral 1 upon root x, that is a x plus root x, x plus root x. If your root x get common here, because you know the root x into root x, that is equal to x here, that means this one is x, that is root x into root x plus root x. Convert this x root x into root x. If your root x get common here, that means root x, and here this root x common plus 1. Okay, root x into root x plus 1, that is your 1 upon root x into bracket root x plus 1. After that, we have to put here root x plus 1 is equal to t here, because derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. That means remaining 1 by root x here, and you have 2 shifting that side, that is a 2 dt. That means derivative of root x plus 1 is 1 upon 2 root x, 1 is a constant 0, dx is equal to dt. That means 1 upon 2 root x dx is equal to dt. These two shifting that side, that is 1 upon root x dx is equal to 2 dt. Then substituting the given integral in new equation form, I is equal to 1 upon t into 2 dt here. 2 is outside the integral because constant, that is the integration of 2 into integration of 1 upon t dt, and in the integration of 1 upon t is log t, that is I is equal to 2 into log of t plus c. Therefore I is equal to 2 into log of, substitute the value of t is root x plus 1, that is a log of root x plus 1 plus c. That means integration of 1 upon root x, integration of 1 upon x plus root x dx is equal to 2 log of in bracket root x plus 1 plus c. So you are solving the question number 7. Then remaining question of this exercise, that is you have to practice question. Okay, thank you.